Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan, a redesigned compact SUV that brings sharper looks, more power, smarter tech, and a more premium feel than ever before. Let's explore every angle, inside and out. The first thing you notice is the design. The Tiguan looks more confident this year, with a sleeker front grille, cleaner body lines, and modern LED lighting. It feels refined without trying too hard, keeping that classic VW personality but giving it a more athletic and contemporary edge. Step inside, and the cabin instantly feels more upscale. Higher trims offer quilted leather seats, real wood trim, and heated and ventilated seats with a full back massage function. The center console features the new driving experience dial, letting you control volume, drive modes, and ambient settings with one intuitive knob. Speaking of ambience, the Tiguan's lighting system is a standout feature. You can choose from a wide palette of interior colors, sync lighting themes with your music, and completely transform the mood of the cabin. It makes the interior feel more like a modern lounge than a typical SUV. Tech plays a big role in the 2026 model. Depending on the trim, you'll get either a 12.9-inch or a massive 15-inch infotainment display, paired with a crisp 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with voice control, built-in navigation options, and customizable driver profiles for multiple users. Under the hood, the Tiguan starts with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine making around 201 horsepower, smooth, efficient, and capable for daily driving. But the real spotlight is on the SEL R-Line turbo model. It boosts power to 268 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque thanks to upgraded internals and a stronger turbo setup. Paired with an 8-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive, it delivers noticeably quicker acceleration and more confident handling while still running on regular fuel. The Tiguan continues to be practical, offering up to 69.8 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded. It's roomy, flexible, and built with families and travelers in mind. Safety is as strong as ever. With Volkswagen's IQ drive system, you get adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, rear traffic alert, and more. Multiple airbags, including a center airbag and rear side airbags, enhance overall protection. Some trims also offer a full 360-degree camera system and advanced parking assistance. Comfort features add to the overall experience: 3-zone climate control, a head-up display, wireless charging, and an optional 12-speaker Harman Kardon audio system give the Tiguan a premium feel without entering luxury car pricing territory. Fuel economy sits around 22 mpg in the city and 29 mpg on the highway, depending on the drivetrain. The Tiguan also comes with a 4-year 50,000-mile warranty and 2 years of complimentary maintenance. The 2026 Tiguan's true strength lies in its balance. It combines power, comfort, technology, and practicality in a way that feels refined and well thought out. It's sporty when you want it to be, comfortable on long drives, and versatile enough for everyday life. If you want a compact SUV that feels premium without a luxury badge, offers real performance in the upper trims, and delivers smart modern features across the lineup, the new Tiguan is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts. Would you choose the base Tiguan or go for the high-performance turbo model?